How to upload Canva design to Google Drive. This is a step-by-step guide so you will be able to follow easily. Now of course, first things first, you want to head over to the design that you want to save into your drive. In my case, I have my design open up right here, and this is really simple. After customizing your design, the only thing that you need to do is to click on the share button at the top right corner of your screen. After clicking on it, it will then show you this additional menu. You can just go ahead and click on the see all button, scroll down, and under the save category, we then have our Google Drive. You can download this if you want to, but in our case, we'll just go ahead and click on Google Drive. From here, you then have to connect your Google Drive to your Canva account. So just go ahead and click on it. It will authenticate us to sign in our Google account and we should be good to go. If this video has been helpful for you, please consider by liking and subscribing. I'll make sure to see you again next time, and as always, thank you.